All right, my turn now. Miss Sarah is catching her fish.
Oh, he's got no line. That wheel line.
Oh shit! Oh Jesus Christ!
Is it on my pole?
It's on mine! It's on mine! Get it!
Shit, it's
Son
a
of a
shark!
bitch! It's a shark!
It's a shark! A shark! It's a big ass shark!
It's on your pole, baby. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Oh God!
Oh, I got that on camera!
Did you have it on
camera? Woo! Oh. You should have seen that shark! Woo!
Shit! Oh God, I'm shaking.
Okay. Woo!
You broke the damn
Woo!
knees, that weak.
Oh gosh! Hey Bobby, we know we got your thing earlier, buddy.
That was a big shark!
Bobby, there's your line.